Hi, beautiful girl. You want some crunchies? Is that good stuff? That's good stuff. Mwah. Kiss. Yes, ma'am. Hi, handsome. Would you like a crunchie? Oh, yes, please. So thank yous. Can we get kisses? Mwah. Kisses. Hi, Roxy. You have a friend outside your door. She seems to think that she needs your crunchies too. You want another crunchie? Of course you do. Look at the little ears over the door. She's like, no, my crunchies. Mwah. Kisses. There you go, ma'am. Good job. Hi, Chucky. What are you doing? Hi, pretty girl. Would you like to try a treaty? Would you like to try a treaty? That's a good one. Oh, nummies. Is that good stuff? Got another one. Yeah. So sweet. Oh, crunchy numminess. One more. Yeah, very nice. Good girl. Mwah. I have treats for you. I've got pockets full of them. Nom, nom, nom. Mwah. Sweetheart. Goofball.